how to make your very own helicopter. We've been playing with these in the garden and they're a lot of fun. I've made them at school as well with the school children there, and we had a lot of fun climbing right to the top of the Tipuana Jungle Gym and letting them fly from there. And then we were able to see them doing these spirals all the way down to the bottom. And then we noticed how the Tipuana tree seed pods did the exact same thing. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to make one of these. Really easy. You might just need mom or dad just to help you out with some of the measuring, but it's very easy and quick. Okay, here we go. This is what you need. Have a look. Piece of paper, any kind of paper will be fine, a marker or a pencil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and you'll need one paper clip. Okay, so here we go. You are going to measure about the width of a ruler, I would say, and you're going to draw a line there so that you can now do the cutting. Right, and remember when you do the cutting, thumbs up and try and follow that line carefully as we go. Now you could decorate your helicopter as well and stick some stickers on, or color it the color you like, or draw patterns on it, anything you would like. Okay, so there we go, we've got the main part ready. Now we need to make the propellers, and we're going to draw a line down the center, and I would say roughly about a quarter of the way, because these are going to be our propellers. Yeah, about that far. And then we're going to draw a little bit further down, two lines going in the opposite direction to that long line, two short lines. Okay, that's it. Now we've got some cutting and folding to do. So let me show you. Down this line we need to cut so that we can make those propellers. So on the black line you're going to cut and you're going to stop when you get there. Great, propellers done. Now we're going to cut or do a little snip on the sides. And this is where we're going to use the paper to fold it into the middle. Fold it this side as well. There we go. And what we're creating here is a weight, because that will help this helicopter fly and do its little twirling. So here we go. We're going to roll it and fold it all the way to about the top. When we get there, we can use our paper clip. And that's going to just help keep that weight over there. I suppose you could use a stapler too and staple it. And now all we need to do is to bend our propellers in opposite directions. So if one goes that way, the other one must go this way. And that's it. We are ready to go and fly. So I'm going to go outside and my kids are going to join me, and I'll show you now how we fly these. Enjoy doing these. Bye guys.